Hi everyone, my name is Tiffany, and for my major project, I focused my research paper on the more humanitarian side of environmental humanities. My paper delves into the ethics regarding wildlife conservation and welfare of animals in zoos. I chose this topic particularly because I have a deep passion for animal conservation, and it's just disheartening based on my personal experiences going to zoos and after doing research to see that there are still many recreational places that have been and still are taking advantages of these laws in place that are supposed to keep these animals safe. Furthermore, the effects of our own actions, that is like human anthropogenic activities, has led to a rise of in global temperatures, as well as the amount of species becoming endangered and extinct. And so as a result, our zoos have to take on that responsibility of bringing them in and taking care of them. And zoos are controversial in the sense that we, the citizens, don't know the behind the scenes of what is really going on, and that their practices can be deemed impractical. Are we really preserving these animals, or are we keeping them captive? Is it morally justified to cage these animals? I extend upon this in my essay by drawing upon studies that discuss the treatment of these zoo animals internationally, as well as including statistical information that is relevant to my issue. One example of maltreatment is the tiger temple found in western Thailand, and which utilizes nonviolent Buddhist practices to tame these animals, although the temple denies all criticism said by visitors who visited. I then go on to talk about the illegal exchange, selling, and transportation of these animals, especially for those that are no longer needed at the zoos. Furthermore, that the treatment of these zoo animals can be attributed to the high ratio of animals compared to staff, as well as the limited number of resources, especially in developing countries, and the knowledge that staff have about giving the right care to a wide range of species, each with their own needs. The fact of the matter is that these animals are treated as a collective group rather than treated or taken care of as individuals. Because of this, their own personal needs are in a way neglected, and this in turn has negative consequences such that of their health. That is not to say that there aren't positive outcomes associated, one of which is the impact that zoos have on visitors and the increased connections felt between people and these animals. These connections and the empathy that results leads to an increased number of people caring about the welfare of these animals and a rise in conservation efforts. In the end, it is important that these issues are addressed, and to start, I believe it is important to educate people about it so there can be a change. Thank you.